And we're back. I don't know, remember when I told you I felt like having buzz mismatch? Just for the heck of it. I just feel like walking in the rain for the heck of it. The only thing is, I wish it wasn't so gig-on cold. You know, it's cold, it's windy. Like, whoever determines what the weather is going to be have a bad taste in judgment, honestly. Hey, you want to know how I'm so out of whack? I'm a theater major. Want to be a director, not an actress. And, you know, we had auditions today. And I didn't even audition. Everybody else in the theater who graduated, who didn't graduate, who about to come to the school, whether it be in a semester or 5 years, because I saw a little girl up here, and I know she ain't one of me. They auditioned. But not me. I'm the only fool in the little ball of here who did not audition. And maybe it's not meant to. What the hell?
You could have played a little girl.
Huh?
You could have played a little girl.
Why would I play a little girl?
Cause I mean, you know, not listen, stop, go.
I look foolery. Whereas the Florida people call foolery. F-O-L-E-Y. Foolery. Whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about, Florida people. I know you got the key. I ain't got the key.
Oh.
Stop playing, dear. He has to keep it there. Computer lab. I gotta be like, people can smell when the computer lab open, y'all. Like, computer lab let out. Man. You know what's so funny about this computer lab? I'm growing to hate it. Because I'm being confined between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm being confined to these 9 walls. Literally and figuratively speaking. I've been a theater major for 2.5 years, and the only thing that I've got casted for are one-act plays. As the director for Soda's class said, do you need any help being, for an assistant director or stage manager, because that's what I want to do in real life. He says, no, well, can you do sound? And you know what that means? I get stuck in these 9 walls all over again. Can I emerge? I asked Doc, Doc, do you have any work study jobs? I really like to work in the office. We really need somebody in the computer lab. And then 9 walls all over again. Give me a break. Just because I can do one thing don't mean you should limit me to this. If you let me do acting or let me, do editing, let me work in the office,